Unity is a strength. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried because his sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. It's so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time, the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. So, here I finish this story. I request you to like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and listening to me. Thank you very much.